Today we have a video from Bodycam Boss, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Man After He Attacks Girlfriend for Refusing to Dine and Dash.
On April 2nd, 2022, officers responded to a bowling alley for a call of a domestic battery.
I did. I think a lot of people did. I think we all saw it. I walked behind. They were sitting in the bar, and I walked. She moved her head. I thought he was helping her out, and I think he was more pushing her out. And then I was like, oh my God, look at her. She's out there drunk or whatever. He had the next thing we knew, it wasn't that she was drunk. He was like physically. And then when everybody walked out, he threw her out his arm.
Okay. Where's the victim at? Where is the victim? You're the victim? Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm Deputy Resec. I wear a body cam. When did this happen? Well, yeah, I mean, how long ago?
What?
How long ago?
The domestic violence? It's so ongoing. I don't even know.
Okay. Are you okay with talking right here, or do you want to go somewhere private?
I just want to go home.
No, I hear you. How long you guys been dating?
For a couple, 2.5 years.
2.5 years? You guys live together?
No.
Okay. Where's he live at?
Well, I said he can't come to my place anymore. After, I said I couldn't, he can't be my place anymore. So I said, thank you so much. You're welcome. Very nice. Take care of yourself.
Which friends he's still with when he's here?
Well, he stayed for me the last couple nights.
You the last couple nights? Is there a chance that he's going back to your place?
It's pretty good mileage.
I could see him try.
Okay. And what's your address?
Yes.
Okay. Who else lives there with you?
By myself.
Just you? Okay. Alright. Does he have stuff there?
Very little.
Okay. Does he have a key?
No.
Okay.
No. Maybe 2 t-shirts. That's, yeah.
How was he expecting you to get home? Did he leave you because of what happened? Or was he gonna leave anyways?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull them all.
He's gonna leave anyways?
Well, he told me that
I got you back.
we just had to run. He said, I can't run. I can't do this to these people. Just from the bar. I mean, that sounds so stupid, but he wanted to run from the bar. And I said, I can't do that. I can't do that.
Why would you run from the bar?
Why would he?
Why would you guys run from the bar?
I wouldn't. He didn't have the money. And I said,
Because he wanted to
I didn't want to do anything.
Those right there, that'd be
he
fine.
wanted to.
Just leave these
And I said,
here.
I just
I'll deal with it later.
Okay. What are you guys arguing about tonight? What started the physical?
Running.
Oh, okay. So you guys were having a good dinner. How was the dinner? Was it fun until you guys got to the point where he wanted to leave?
He's always on like edge. Like,
Okay. Does he use drugs?
does he what?
Use drugs?
No.
Is he a drinker? Okay. So he's
Yeah.
probably intoxicated. Does he drink all day, every day, or? Okay. All right.
Yep. I can't believe he left me to clean up his mess, even though. Sorry. It's just. It's such bullshit.
I hear you. So did you pay?
No, you know what's bullshit is that you still with him. That's what's bullshit. I mean, it's gotten so bad that he's doing this type of stuff in public. It's bad enough if it happens at all, but it has carried on for so long, and you've just either gone back with him and stuff like that, or whatever, that this has carried on for so long that now it's turned into him doing these things in public. You need a wake-up call. You gotta go. I know it's easier said than done, but come on. What are you gonna do? Just keep getting your ass beat? Like, what's good? This is how things start. If it happens one time, it'll happen again. If it happens once, it'll happen again. And then it'll keep on happening. And then the fights will get bigger and bigger and bigger. And to the point that this has spilled out into the public. All because you popped and panicking? If you don't know what popped and panicking means, is popped is slang for like broke. You popped and panicking, man. You broke and now you panicking. You don't know what to do because you don't have the money to pay for it. So now your lady got to come out of pocket. But it was probably his idea to go on a date. That's the messed up part. Come on, man. This is nasty work. Get away from him. He can't even come to the house no more. You don't want him there. What are we doing? What are we doing? Time is short, and you gonna spend your time with this guy?
For the meal?
No.
Okay.
I sat there like, what am I gonna do?
Okay.
I said, well, he left, and then I said, can we?
I'm good. Yeah. If you want to. So when did it start getting physical?
Out on the cement area out there.
Okay.
I said, we can't go, we can't run, that's not right.
Go ahead. So was there some pushing or shoving going on?
She was not very excited. I don't know.
A little bit in this area, but more so out there.
Once you got out there, was it like shoving?
I bet it
Because
is.
you didn't want to go with him? Were you trying to
Because
stay
I
here?
was trying to go back in to pay our tab.
Okay. And he wouldn't let you go back in? When he got physical with you, he was shoving and pushing, and then I was told he shoved you down to the ground. Did you hit your head? Okay, where at? Did it bleed? Is there not?
No, it didn't bleed.
Okay. Did you see any of it? Okay. Just called it in.
Yeah.
Somebody ran and told you to call it?
Yeah. Well, I mean, I kind of was like, oh, I'll just run her and make sure she's okay. I was going to like do like a from afar, just make sure she was okay. And then I just went up to her and I like asked her if she wanted the police called and she said yes. I asked her if she wanted to be assessed by like EMS. She said no. I like asked her twice just to make sure. I mean, I felt her head. I mean, obviously I don't know everything, but like she's talking, she's up, she's not like physically ill. Like I felt okay, like not needing, like thinking that she needed, but then I called like my dad.
Were you the one that served them?
No.
Okay.
I did ask him how much they had though, and he said they had one pitcher, and I don't even think they finished it.
Okay. They didn't have pizza or anything?
They might have eaten. I don't know. I wasn't serving them.
Do you want to see what they want to do about that?
Oh, you mean like because they didn't pay it?
Yeah.
I mean, he didn't pay his tab yesterday or like last week earlier.
The same guy?
Yeah.
You
And
said
so
last week he didn't pay his tab?
he was. I think it must have been earlier this week because we had like a ticket, and I asked Sean about it on Wednesday when I was bartending, and he said he like asked him tonight like, oh, are you going to pay the tab from last week? And both of their cards, like hers wouldn't run it on. She said he's like taken all of her money, and then his got like $15. I mean, there's not really
both
to
broke.
do about that.
Well,
They both popped and panicking, man. God. Man. Well, they both popped, I should say. He panicking though. That's why his ass ran. Wait, hold on. Is this the same day? Hold on. Wait, 4-3, and then 4-2. That don't add up. Maybe they messing with the dates.
Hey,
Sheriff's office, come out here and talk to me since you kicked the door in.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah. Don't you put your hands in your pocket.
All right.
No. What's going on between you and the girlfriend?
Yeah, she's out of control.
Oh, okay.
We wear body cameras, by the way.
That's right.
Everything's being audio and video recorded.
Yeah.
Oh, same night.
Okay.
Same night.
I get back here and she's obviously drunk, so
Oh, okay.
there's something going on, really.
All right, go ahead and turn around, put your hand on my back. What's wrong with that hand since you're in a cast? What's up with that? If not, we might have to bring one in front of you. I don't know if we really get that.
Okay. Why am I arrested?
Well, you're under arrest for domestic I don't think that's the word for it.
Yeah.
If we hold, I got leg irons we can use.
Yeah, zip ties.
I got leg irons.
You could be charged as home and reason for that.
Yeah, you kick
Keep
the
your hands
door.
behind your back for me. Yeah. I'm gonna search you. Okay, do you have anything that's gonna poke me or stick me?
I'm gonna go grab my leg irons
Okay.
real quick.
All right.
And we'll use them as handcuffs since it's a cast.
Separate
Okay.
your feet, bud.
Yeah.
Where are you from originally? From here?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you live here with her?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Put your hand behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back. Quit jacking around.
Why are you arresting me?
You're under arrest for burglary and domestic battery.
Really?
Yep, you just told me you kicked the door in.
Do not resist.
Put your hands off it. You're gonna get tasty.
Put your hand behind your back.
This size, and I'll get it out.
Keep it behind your back.
Quit being an idiot.
For burglary?
You kicked the door in. I heard you on the phone telling the buddy of yours you kicked the door in. Just hold his hand. You move, you're gonna get tased. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Do you understand that?
Yes.
Then you sit here and act like an adult.
Yeah.
Okay? As soon as you act normal, we'll get you up. You fight my officers, you're gonna have a problem. Roll to your side. Scoot your legs up to your belly.
Yeah.
Oh, no, bring your legs up to your belly. Like you're, there you go, like that.
You want me to call EMS for him? There's some blood on the ground.
Yeah, well, check out just enough. Bring your legs up to your belly. Bring your legs this way. Like that, not lay down, on your side. There you go.
There you go. Lift me up.
Yep. Now sit first.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah.
Stand up. 1, 2, 3.
There we go.
You can sit him down. You got the scrape, obviously, because hold on to get this cut. Why don't you sit on
Hey,
these
no,
stairs?
just take a seat, man.
Hold on. Wait.
No, we're gonna
Hold on.
take a
Wait.
seat.
Wait.
All right. I'm in charge of what? Burglary?
You kicked the door in. I heard you on the phone tell your buddy that.
And resisting.
And resisting now.
Yeah, because how else you get in? She said that you don't have a key. And you send your funky ass up in there, man.
The domestic battery.
Domestic battery?
Hey, have a seat on the steps. What's going on tonight, man?
Nothing, really.
How'd you get back here? Huh?
I don't know.
Okay. Were you at Old Orchard earlier tonight with Elizabeth?
I don't think so.
Okay. Do you live here?
No.
Is that your bat in here?
Yeah, I gave it to her son, though. It's autographed.
Okay. So you were planning on doing anything with that bat tonight?
No. That's for her son. Look at it. It's autographed.
Okay. Is that your suitcase or her suitcase?
That's mine.
Okay. So you don't live here?
No, I don't.
Where do you live?
In Bloomington, but I'm supposed to go to Jacksonville, Florida, so.
When are you supposed to go there?
In a couple days.
So you don't know where you came from tonight? You've been here the whole night?
No, I wasn't here the whole night.
Where?
I don't want to talk anymore. All right?
Okay. Here. Hang tight.
Launch your head when you go in there, okay? Butt first.
You gotta reach the seatbelt across.
The man was charged with domestic battery and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching.
That's a big dude. I ain't gonna lie. She got to get away from him because he probably be laying a smack down on her. That's he's He's not a tiny little thing, you know. He's definitely a bigger guy. I don't know. Just move on, man. Just move on, because it's gonna get worse. That's all I can say.